Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we're going to be talking about the Ettore Reach conversion kit, where you can basically take your traditional aluminum Ettore extension pole and make it into a water-fed pole. And Ettore has come out with a simple kit to make that very easy for you, so that's what I'm going to show you today. As you know, this is the Ettore extension pole. This is a 3-section 12-foot pole. It has collars here that unlock and then lock by twisting, allowing you to extend the pole. And then it always has, the tips where you can quick release tools on and off, such as like the Ettore backflip. And you can snap it in just like that and have the backflip locked into the pole. Very nice, just like that. So one of the cool things about this kit is there's quite a few different pieces, and we'll just go over those real quick. So the first piece that's not included in the kit, but what you'll need, is a Ettore Reach pole, because everything is kind of made for this pole, so it will not work with other poles. What allows you first to make it into a water-fed pole is this little piece right here, okay? Now this little piece has a Euro thread on top, which is going to allow you to put an angle adapter to put a water-fed pole brush on. So we just clip these right here, these two things right here, and we take this tip off, just like that. So that tip comes off, and then you take the Euro tip and we slide that onto the pole, and then it locks on just like that. Okay? And then from there, what we're going to do is they have a standard angle adapter here. It's a quick release, so you can change your angle very easy, which is very nice to have. And then just close it like that and you can lock it up. So kind of put it there at that angle right there. And then we just twist that onto the pole as well. Okay. So we get that on there as well. Sometimes what you can do with this thing is, like, I would suggest move it underneath like that, so you don't hit it on any frames or anything like that. From there, what you would do is you can attach your brush to that Euro thread. So just take that and thread it onto there. Okay, boom. Got that on there. Got a little bit backwards, but that's okay. So after that, what you're going to do is, it comes with 12 feet of tubing here. I believe this is let's see, 5 millimeter on the inside. I think it would be like a 5/16 hose. So this is about 12 feet of hose. Just bring that out of there. So what you'll do is you'll take that end right there, and you'll just put it into the connection here, and that's going to bring the water from whatever purification system we're using to the brush. And then from there, which is really cool, is that if, say, the pole is fully extended, okay, it comes with these little clips to go along the pole, so that you can have your tubing along the pole and not have it flailing about. So, and they come in about 4 different sizes. So you get 4 of them, and you just work those down the whole entire pole here, starting at the top. You can just put that down there, just like that. And that way your hose is all on your pole, and while you're scrubbing, you're not flailing about, right? And then from there, as far as connecting it to your water source, it comes with this little nice piece, which is just a quick connect that we're going to use this. So just put in like that, and we're going to connect that to our DI tank here. Let's put that on right there. And then let me just go turn on the DI tank, so you can see the water coming out of the brush. And even with those on there, you can just, move the pole up and down. It will go through those clips, which is really nice. So you don't need to really ever take those off unless you're switching back to all, you know, traditional work and you just want to take them off, you can simply keep them on there just like that, right? So then our water is on, flick our on off valve here, water's going there, flick it on here, and boom, got water coming out of there. So there you go. That is the Ettore Reach Conversion Kit for your reach poles. If those things are dripping, just plug those in a little bit more, and boom, there you go. That is the kit. So if you guys want to check out this kit, I'll have a link below to check it out. But if you have an Ettore Reach pole, this could be a great thing for you to have, to basically have a short water fed pole. And these brushes also come in a bigger style as well. Let me show you that. So this is more like an 18-inch brush, and it's got 4 jets in there. We got 4 jets on the back here. So you could also, this isn't part of the regular kit, but the smaller one is. But you could also get this Ettore brush, and it's a hybrid. So it's got the boar hair and then nylon on the outside. So that is the Ettore Reach Conversion Kit if you want to convert your Ettore Reach pole into a water-fed pole. Hope you all have a good day, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.